Exoplanets, where mysteries and discoveries await. We all have seen sci-fi films and TV shows like Star Wars with all the planets and aliens existing in our universe. But what about our universe? Currently, most of us are familiar with our solar system, with only 8 planets, which are Mercury, Venus, Mars, Earth, Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, and Uranus. And of course, let's not forget the dwarf planet Pluto. Space is an unlimited environment with countless stars, comets, and asteroids. In this presentation, I will be showing you the information of worlds that orbit outside our solar system known as exoplanets. As I said before, people have wondered if there are other planets somewhere in the Milky Way, ones that are filled with life and water. How distant are they? What do they look like? How are they any different than Earth? So, without further ado, let us begin. Cancri 55e is one of the first terrestrial planets discovered back in 2004. It is twice the size as the Earth. However, it has an orbit period of only 18 days, while the Earth has only 365 days. While this planet is in orbit, one side of the planet will be 4,400 degrees Fahrenheit, while the other will be 2,060 degrees Fahrenheit freezing. Yeah, that's a pretty big difference there. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, was known as the king of our solar system until it had a rival of another gas planet, Kepler 7b. This planet is 1,400 light years away from Earth with its mass half of Jupiter's and is 50% larger. 7b is 12 times hotter than Jupiter with its temperature over 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit, while Jupiter's is at 234. Kepler 7b is known as one of the hot Jupiters. It is very close to its star, revolving for only 5 days. Yes, 5 days. This planet revolves around its star very fast. Kepler 16b is next on this list. Unlike 7b, 16b has 2 suns instead of one and is only 1,200 light years away from Earth. 2011 was the year it was discovered and is inhabitable like most gas planets. It contains nothing but freezing cold similar to Saturn and Neptune. 16b suns are actually smaller than our sun, with one having a mass of 69% and the other with only 20%. While Venus has a time orbit of 225 days, Kepler 16b has a period of 229 days. The red planet Mars is what most people would call Earth's twin due to their similarities like having a rocky surface, though that is still unknown. Kepler 22b was discovered in 2011 with its size slightly larger than Earth's and is the first well-known exoplanet to have water occur on the surface. With a distance of only 600 light years, its star is actually smaller and cooler than our sun. And the orbit period for this planet is only 290 days straight, which means the Earth's orbit has 75 more days than this one. And finally, Kepler 452b. This terrestrial exoplanet was discovered back in 2015 and is believed to be older than Earth, with the age of 6 billion years old. It's 60% larger than the Earth, like most planets you've seen in this film. And what's even more intriguing is that the planet's sun has the exact same size and temperature as ours, and its orbit period has 20 more days than the Earth, with a total of 385 days. Most of us have created the assumption that there is life somewhere in the universe, or that if aliens actually exist. But all communities all around the globe have gone through progress with technology and the people and so much more. And we are still wondering what's really up there, way above the stratosphere. But we still have long ways ahead of us. But that doesn't mean we shouldn't just give up. That means we still have enough time to keep going until we reach for the stars. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you enjoyed it and learned a lot from this. Until next time.